Yo, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make GFX on your phone for free. So, as you guys see, my YouTube pic, like you can make it like that free on your phone. You can do it on Android and iOS. So, what you wanna do? Go to your app store and type in InShot, INSHOT, and it's the first one. So it's free. There's an in-app purchases. So I'm gonna go ahead and update it real quick. I'll be back. After it's done downloading or updating, whatever it's done, then open it. Then just keep clicking next. Then click on photos. It's actually all my photos is covered right now. I'm actually pick the Spurs mascot. Then resize it how you want the pic to be. Then click on text. You see where it says text down? Yeah. Click on text and type in your channel name. I'm gonna go ahead and type in lit comp, LIT. After you're done, you could edit it, like Bender, shadow, all of that, make look like the text look cool. Then you could like click on shadow, or you could click on border and pick whatever background you want, like of the text. You can make it white, black. I'm actually go with white because it matches a little bit of the pic. So white on black, as you guys see, the mascot shirt. And size it wherever you want it to be. And after you do that, you wanna click on effects, and you could buy effects, but you don't need to. There's free ones. There's good free ones, like as you guys see, like this one. If you guys don't like this one, you could choose another one, like that one or that one. But I don't recommend this, so I don't recommend that or that. This a little bit and that, not that. Yeah, but you know what I'm saying, like that a little bit. If you're a YouTuber, or you know what I'm saying, people like that. So if you guys don't like the text that I put, you guys could use other ones, like regular ones, the normal ones, or whatever you guys. But I recommend you guys use the one I'm gonna use in this video. Pretty simple. Just look at it and choose it, because it's the same thing. So it's actually this one. It looks the best. After you're done, you could go ahead and click on stickers, and you could click on as you guys see, the YouTube ones, the subscribe one. You could put that like somewhere on top, or like anywhere you guys want. So there's an Instagram one. There's a like button. I didn't put one in this video, but you guys could do that. So go ahead and put that in the bottom, so it could look a little bit, professional. After y'all do that, just watch until the end how I save it. So that's all I got for you guys today. So go ahead and subscribe, like, and go comment down below what y'all like to see next. And the first 25 subscribers, what the heck is this? The first 25 subscribers you get a free GFX, and I'll personally make it for you. Just hit me up on Instagram, litcomp_YT. And yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'm out.